Good morning, everybody. We got about, 3 inches of snow. This stuff is wet. Look at this. It's hanging off the house. I just heard a bang, and a bunch of it fell off. That's one way to get the roof clean. Bella was out a few minutes ago. Oh, look at the trees hanging down. They had to clean the solar panels a little while. This is our first snow. I heard there's a lot of power outages down the road. But not for me. Like I said, I clean my... Oh, look at that tree, huh? This is weird looking. Oh, stop. We're going to clean this one off. I always like doing this. Look at this tree. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I'm going to grab this thing right here. Shake it a little bit. A little bit. That is heavy, boy. Wow. It's not much, but it's heavy. I heard there's a few power outages down the road, but I gotta tell you, it's gotta be bad. It's hanging on the backhoe. We live in a winter wonderland now. Look at that, huh? The truck's covered. Bella wants to run. Stop. Bella, come on. Come on. Oh. We got it rained last night, and then all of a sudden it turned to ice. I was outside for a few minutes and saw it. This is something, isn't it? Look at the trees. There's a jet going by, but like I said, when I woke up early this morning, I didn't see my neighbor's lights on, which I could see about half a mile away. So hopefully they're okay. We have a generator, we have batteries and generators, and we got everything. I'm not too worried about it. Look at that.